Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a specific tool that has more uses than most people think. But before we jump into that, I want to thank all of you that have subscribed to the channel and have been giving me thumbs up on past videos. It really helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And so those of you that are joining us for the first time, now's an opportunity where you can just click the subscribe button down below and subscribe to the channel, and then click it again to ring the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post one of these videos. Alrighty, now, so what sort of tool is it that has purposes other than what you would think it is? Well, it's pipe wrenches. And everyone thinks, oh, pipe wrenches, use those on pipes only. No, you use a lot of them on pipes, but there are a lot of other uses where you need to turn something and you need and a pipe wrench is the perfect tool for it. Now, pipe wrenches come in all sorts of sizes. Anything from the little 6-inch ones up to 48-inch and probably bigger. 48 is the biggest I've ever had. And, they're wonderful, wonderful tools for getting certain things loose. Now, what most people don't know, and they're hard to find though, is they make left-handed pipe wrenches. I know some of you are going to go, what? Wait a minute, you can just transfer it hand to hand. Well, the adjustment nut, it's actually a nut, kind of like a cylinder that you just turn to thread the open and close, and usually you do that with your thumb. They also make it to work with the other thumb differently. So they make it. That's all I'm saying. My dad was a lefty, and he had left-handed pipe wrenches and crescent wrenches. So think about what you might need a pipe wrench for, and get a couple or half a dozen. I have a lot in all different sizes because sometimes you can't put a big one into a tight space. Alrighty, so as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. And before I leave, I'm going to give you I'm going to post some links up here around about. Most importantly, there are going to be 2 of them, which are for the Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners playlist. So you can share those with your friends and family and coworkers. The other one is my other channel, Camp Pat Family Compound, where I also have some prepping videos on over there, and a lot of how-to gardening and homesteading videos like that. All right. So Camp Pat Family Compound, I'll put the link up here. I'll put the playlist for Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners over here. And you want to share those with your friends and family because you don't want to end up like this.